Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to the heart of my home. Now let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to find tasty recipes to support your well-being? Now that may be weight loss program, it may be managing cholesterol or regulating your blood sugar. Well, if you are, I've got a tasty treat for you today. I'm going to be showing you how you can turn this plantain into a delicious dish. Now, plantain belongs to the banana family, but unlike bananas, which are rich in sugars, plantain is rich in complex starches, which means it's less likely to break down and become sugary. Also, a rich source of potassium and high nutritious content. It also regulates the gut biome and is excellent for irritable bowel syndrome. So you can read more about the health benefits of plantain in my blog, but for now, let me show you how you can turn plantain into this. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you're notified of future recipes, and please leave your comments in the section below. Let's get on with creating this recipe. So the key ingredients for this savoury plantain recipe are plantain. So this is the African plantain variety called Matoke, and you can buy them in most of the Caribbean or continental high street shops. I'm also going to put some aubergine, fresh garlic, I'll probably use the whole of the bowl, fresh tomatoes, some onions, a whole lemon. I've also got tinned chopped tomatoes. So this recipe is quite tangy and savoury. It's very delicious. We've got coriander here, and for the herbs and spices, I'm going to be using mustard seeds, turmeric, cumin seeds, and I've got some dried pomegranate seeds here. I love cardamom, so I'm going to throw in some cardamom pods, and I've got the curry leaves and just a tablespoon of yogurt to give it a bit of creamy texture. That's it. Let's get on with combining these ingredients.
called plantains. If you're in the Caribbean, you're watching this Caribbean, you'll know all about the plantains or the green bananas. If you're from somewhere else in the world, you won't know a lot about them, but they're super healthy for you, low in starch, and they don't have the big glycemic index push that normal bananas do. So let's dive into this tasty morsel and see what G's cooked up here. Not the same texture as a banana, but tasty nonetheless. Another 5 stars from me.